Welcome to this session. This meditation is here to help you drift into a deep and restful sleep. Now there's nothing you need to do, and there's nothing to achieve. Just allow yourself to be carried by my voice and by the rhythm of your own breath. So make yourself comfortable lying down. Let your arms rest loosely by your sides, or whatever feels most natural to you. And then close your eyes. So take a slow, deep breath in through your nose. Hold it gently. And then exhale through your mouth, letting your body sink deeper into the bed. And again, inhale slowly, filling your lungs. Pause at the top, and then exhale, softening even more. So one last deep breath. Breathe in, hold it, and then release. So from now on, let your breath move naturally, calm and easy. And with every inhale, imagine peace entering the body. And with every exhale, imagine tension leaving. And now, bring your attention to the crown of your head. Feel the skin on your scalp soften. Feel your forehead smooth. Your eyes are heavy and relaxed now. So notice your jaw. Let it unclench completely. Your tongue is resting comfortably in your mouth. Bring awareness now to your shoulders. Just let them drop. Feel them sink into the surface beneath you. Notice your arms, your hands, and your fingers. And they grow heavy, soft and still. Now bring your attention to your chest and your belly. Notice the rise and fall of your breath. And with every exhale, imagine you're releasing the weight of the day. So move down into your hips, your thighs, and your knees. They're all softening, relaxing, and sinking deeply. Your calves, your ankles, and your feet are letting go completely. They're feeling warm, heavy, and deeply relaxed. Your whole body is at ease now, held, safe, and very still. So now imagine you're lying beneath a quiet night sky. And above you, countless stars shimmer gently. Each one is a lantern, glowing softly in the dark. And as you breathe in, imagine the starlight flowing into you, calm and cool and gentle. And as you breathe out, imagine any tension rising from your body and disappearing into the night. And with every breath you grow lighter, as though you're dissolving into the quiet sky. Now silently repeat after me. I am safe. I am calm. I allow sleep to come. I allow sleep to come. So let those words echo like a lullaby, each repetition pulling you deeper into rest. And now take one more slow breath in and release it gently. And if you're still awake, know that your body is already preparing for sleep. Your breath is steady. Your body is heavy, and your mind is quiet. You may drift off at any moment now, and when you do, your sleep will be deep, restorative, and peaceful. Good night, and namaste.